It's not so bad opening up your electric bill, right? They're usually pretty low. But if someone told you you could save up to 30% off your summer electric bill, well, one local company says they have a device that can do just that. And tonight, Troy Hayden finds out whether it's a deal or a dud.
It really doesn't look like much. The KVAR energy-saving device, just a little gray box. Is it possible that this can save you hundreds of dollars every year on your electric bill? Is it a deal or a dud?
I always look at it as I try to tell homeowners, if I could save you 1 month's electric bill a year, would you like me? Would you love me?
Okay, love is a strong word, but if you can deliver, who wouldn't be happy with a savings like that? Lee Marino owns Valley-based SafeWire Energy, and he says he installs 10 to 15 of these KVAR energy-saving devices every single day. He says people love them. Well, how do they work? It's complicated, but it's basically a capacitor. It stores and regulates electricity. Google the word capacitor on your own time, and you'll find all you need to know. For our purposes, it makes all the electrical motors in your home, like this small refrigerator motor, or a pool filter motor, or an air conditioning motor or fans, run more efficiently and use less electricity. We got a demonstration. Without the KVAR unit, this small refrigerator motor draws about 5.3 amps from the power company when it runs. With the KVAR unit working, it draws only 1.6 amps. That is 70% less power. New customer David Essig Jr. has only had the KVAR at his house for a few months, but he's already seeing the savings.
My wife looked at our electric bill from last year. It was $118. This month it was $90. So there was $28 savings right there in 1 month.
The average, we try to explain to people, you're going to save anywhere minimum between 8 and 25%, depending on your home.
And look at this. It's the SRP power bill from another KVAR customer. The white bars on the graph show the electricity she used last year before she got KVAR. The black, what she used this year after the device. In the month of July alone, she used 30% less power than July of '07. In the summer, you know that's big money. And David can't wait to see his bills this summer.
I'm sold on it. It was quite the thing to add to the house, and I like it enough. I've told all my friends, my workmates, and everybody about it.
We contacted several other KVAR customers, and all of them raved about the device. We also contacted SRP. They said since they hadn't tested the unit, they could neither endorse it or say it doesn't work. But we should point out that SRP uses thousands of its own capacitors throughout its system, the same basic technology that's in KVAR. But the skeptic in you has to make you ask, a 30% savings on my electric bill? What's the catch? Well, the big one for many people right now would be the cost. Each unit costs $550 installed. But after that?
The only catch is, you have to take the step. You have to take the plunge, have the faith, and say, you know what, we're going to put this on our house or our business and save money. That's the only catch.
And because of that, and because of the research we did, we're going to say deal. Yes, deal, not dud, for the KVAR energy savings device.